What's up, y'all? Back again with another case video. So this time I'm actually doing a case video for the Nokia 7 Plus. This time around I've actually been using this for a few days now. For those who watched my last video, if you haven't, I'll have that link at the end of this one. But this phone has actually been serving me pretty well as far as, you know, no abrasions or no micro abrasions or anything like that. The build quality on this phone is actually pretty tough, so I've been rocking this with no case so far for a few days, and thankfully no issues. So, but for those of you that, and by the way, I haven't had a case, I haven't really had any fears of, you know, this thing getting scratched. So this thing is pretty tough. It's built pretty well. But for those of you who just love to have cases, I was waiting on a second case to come in, but I do have this case that came in from Amazon. It's called Kugi, and that's spelled K-U-G-I. So this is actually pretty much a economical case. It's only about $8.50 on Amazon right now. Link will be in the description below. But I just want to go ahead and check this out. So first of all, let's take a look at the presentation of the package. I mean, shout out to them for having this whole Saved by the Bell look. Like if you look at the borders of the case.
When I wake up in the morning, it's the longest I've wanted. I don't think I'll ever make it on time.
Like, I mean, it's straight out of the 90s. So, throwback to that, but kudos to them. So, pretty much, there's no description on this case or anything talking about what it does or what it's made out of. But, yeah, on the bottom it says, good, excellent fit, creative design, excellent safety and innovation. Well, we're gonna see. To me, it just looks like a basic case. It kind of has this faux leather look, but we're gonna take a look at it. So let me go ahead and get the unboxing knife out, and we're gonna get into this. So looks like it's taped on one side, so we're just gonna go ahead and slice through it, and hopefully it'll open up like a book. Yep, so it does. That's different. Most other cases have like a little box or something, so, but this is supposed to be a soft TPU design, so yeah, that's pretty much what it is. Kind of rubbery. Not the most premium feeling, but it's just your typical TPU case. So let's go ahead and slap the phone into this and take a look at what it looks like. So I think it actually has a good design, but and you know, it doesn't add a lot of bulk. You can feel that it does add a little bit of width to it. So, so if you pull this up to the camera, you've got your buttons right here. You've got your volume rocker, your power button. Power button works really well. Volume rockers. I mean, I would say it doesn't have its own tactile feel to the buttons, but it really relies upon the tactility of the buttons themselves. So I mean, it's really clicky. So it feels like it's really accurate. You've got the fingerprint sensor on the back, which still works. So kudos there. So you've got the camera cutout, and then you also have your cutout for your micro USB-C. I'm sorry, not micro USB-C, but USB-C, and your speaker. But other than that, that's pretty much it. I mean, feels good. It'll definitely protect your phone. Does it have razivity? A little bit. I mean, it's not gonna touch the actual surface, but the case is all right. I mean, it's a good fit for it. It doesn't add too much bulk. Yeah, and it protects the edges. So, you know, for any dents or dings, like let's say if you drop it on the side a little bit, at least you have some protection there. So, but this isn't the most protective case, but it's something that you would do. It's more of a slimline case. That's the category I would put it in. It's like a slimline case that'll kind of protect it from any scratches or so. But I'm just gonna say firsthand, without any doubts, I feel like the way that this phone is built, it doesn't necessarily need one. Except for the fact that your camera's raised a little bit, which with this case will do for you is it will, let me go ahead and close this. It makes that camera more flush. Let me go ahead and do this. Yeah, so you see that? the camera's more flush with the surface of the case. So there's your protection. So that's the only thing that I probably would rock this for, is just to protect that camera lens, because I don't know what that camera lens is actually made of, the glass. I don't know if it's Gorilla Glass 5, 4, or 3. So, but with that, I just wanted to do a quick video on the Kugi case, not C-O-O-G-I, but C-K-U-G-I. So, link will be in the description below. Feel free to subscribe, share, like the video, and you know what to do. So, holla at you later. Peace.